Yes, students, welcome to Nishat Physics class. I am ready with two questions. Let us start. Here, question number 1. An infinite number of capacitors of capacitance C, 4C, 16C till infinite are connected in series. Then what will be the resultant capacitance? Options are A C, B 3C by 4, C 4C by 5 and D 6C by 7. Okay. Now suppose that take all capacitor in series, then 1 upon C and EQ. 1 C upon C EQ, it is means that is the equivalent resistance because it is in the series, so it will be in the reciprocal. So this is the 1 by C plus 1 by 4C plus 1 by 16C and plus up to the infinity. Okay. Now 1 upon C equivalent here. Take 1 upon C common. Then what we get here? 1 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 16 and plus till infinity. Students, see this. It is a geometrical series. It is a geometrical series. Geometrical progression. Whose first term is 1. A is equal to 1. And see this common ratio 1 by 4. Now solve this. So here solve this, then what we get? 1 upon 1 minus 1 by 4, and so this is 1 upon 3 by 4. 1 upon 3 by 4. After solving only this, then finally what we get here? Finally we get here 1 upon C equivalent is equal to 1 by C into 1 upon 3 by 4. So 1 C equivalent is equal to 3 C by 4. So option is here B. So B is the option. Okay. Students, I am coming on the second question. The figure shows some of the electric field lines corresponding to an electric field. The figure suggests, this is the diagram, electric lines of force, and there are some options. You can easily you can get a concept and you can write the answer. But I am going to do by the explanation. So with the help of this concept, you can do more question, not only question number 2. So let me explain here, my dear, that here phi equal to EA. See this, phi equal to EA. Phi electric flux and E electric field, and A is the area vector. Then we write that E equal to phi upon A. Phi upon A. Students, electric flux is the, what is electric flux? Number of lines passing through that area. Simple definition. I am not going in the complication of the definition here because I am solving multiple choice question. So that flux is lines of force passing through that area. Number of lines of force. Okay. It means, and this is the area. Suppose that at this point, take same area. I took here that area. Take same area here. And take same area at the C. Now what we see here? If we write electric field at A, At the A, lines of forces are 3. मतलब flux is 3. So 3 upon A. At the B, EB, what will be lines of force? Only one. Area is the same. So 1 by A. And at C, same condition, my dear, AC. 3 lines of force and 3 flux upon A. Just guess here. Just not guess. Just find out. EA equal to AC. EA and EC. EA equal to AC. Here EA equal to EC. EA equal to EC. EB not same. It means option either B, our C. दो ही option है. Either EA equal to EB, EA equal to EC. तो either B option, either EA equal to EC, either C option or D option, either C. Because in both cases EA equal to EC. Here E is equal to EC and here E is equal to EC. Then maybe C and D, A and B never be. Now one thing, but EB is less than EA. It means EA and EC greater than EB. EA and EC greater than EB. So this is not, and option C. So I did in the explanation of this. Other way you can find out that where lines of forces are compact, their concentration are more, electric field is more. This is the simple explanation. So here that A, lines of forces are close. At the C, lines of forces are close. At the B, lines of forces are not close. So that EA equal to EC and greater than EB. So this is the another simple explanation. But I did in the detail so that with the help of this, you are capable to open more and more questions. Thank you very much, dear.